Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hamdan syukran lillah amma ba'du. Respectable our lecturer, Eni Prastiawati MPD, my brother and sister. Firstly, there's not the most beautiful word to say in this day except to thank and pray unto Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Because of His mercies and blessing, everything can be performed without any trouble and obstacles. And we never forget to convey salawat and salam to our Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, who has changed the bad culture to be better in order to be able to enjoy God's paradise. Okay, before I begin the material which we will explain today, let me introduce my team, which consists of 2 persons. For the first, begin from me. My name is Amiruddin. I'm from Bangkalan, Madura. And with my partner, her name is Risma Intan, and she is from Kediri. Alright, into the material, I will explain about description text. Okay, we have 4 points here which will be explained by me. And for the first is meaning, and the second is social function, the third generic structure, and the last that is language features. Okay, into the meaning. What is description text? The meaning is descriptive text is a kind of text that describes something or person in particular or details. And descriptive text is a text which says what a person or things is like. Its purpose is to describe and reveal a particular person, place, or thing in a broad sense. Description, as explained by Kenny, is defined like in the following sentence. The abstraction is about sensory experience, how something looks, sounds, tastes. Mostly it is about visual experience, but description also deals with other kinds of perception. But in particular, the descriptive text is a text which says what a person or a thing is like. Its purpose is to describe and reveal a particular person, place, or thing. So, it can be said that this descriptive text is a text that explains about whether a person or an object like, whether its form, its properties, its amount, and others. The purpose of the descriptive text is clear, that is to describe, present, or reveal a person or an object, either abstract or concrete. Generic structure or the generic structure no. And for the second is social function. It is to describe a particular person, place, or thing. Yeah, I have mentioned it before in the telling about the meaning. And so direct to the third, that it is generic structure. For the first, identification, and the second, description. Identification is identify phenomenon to be described, and contents about the introduction of a person, place, animal, or object will be described. And the second is description. It is describe parts, qualities, and characteristics. And yeah, description contains a description of something such as animal, things, place, or person by describing its features, form, colors, or anything related to what the writer describes. And then For the fourth, for the last point is language features. You can see it for the first that focus on specific participant and then use of attributive and identifying processes. And the third, frequent use classifiers in nominal group. I can mention this. A language feature of descriptive text. Specific participant has a certain object is not common and unique or only one. For example, Bandungan Beach, my house, Borobudur Temple, Uncle Jim. And then the use of adjective or an adjective to clarify the noun. For example, beautiful beach, handsome man, the famous place in Jepara, and many more again. And then the use of simple present tense. The sentence pattern used is simple present because it tells the fact or the object described. And then action verb that show an activity. For example, run, sleep, walk, cut. Yeah, that's all. Okay, and to the next, we have the example of description text, which will be explained by my partner, Risma. The time is short.
Okay, thanks Rudy. My name is Risma. Here I will explain the general structure and language features of the example description text that I present. So, hi friends, this is an example of description text. As you can see, here are some colored lines, so we will cover the general structure first. Okay, continue. The red color in the image is identification and the light blue color is the description. So the identification part of the sample text is: my father is the person I admire the most. My father's name is Edward. My father is the eldest of 3 children. My father is 45 years old. He has a younger brother and a younger sister. And part of the description is: my father is a teacher of medium stature until my father has a positive personality, therefore one day I want to be like him, my role model and my inspiration in life. Well, then we discuss the language feature of my description text. Example, you can see there is a colored line in the paragraph. Green is a specific participant, then brown is an adjective, and finally the dark blue is the simple present tense. So, enough of my explanation. Thank you.
Okay, thanks Risma for your giving explanation. Maybe that's all what we've told to you guys. If there are any mistake from us, we apologize. Thanks for your attention, and the last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.